Hello students, today we are going to learn English literature of class 2nd. The chapter name is Honesty Bring Its Reward. Okay, now let's start this chapter. Baldio was a poor woodcutter. He used to work very hard to take good care of his family. Baldio was a poor woodcutter man. Okay, every morning he is going to the wood forest nearby to chop dry trees for firewood. He then sold the wood in the village market and earned some money. With this money, he bought the things needed by his family. Okay, now one day Baldio went to the forest as usual. Okay, one day he is going to the forest as usual time. There was a big oak tree near the river bank. Okay, there is a very big oak tree near the river bank. Two of its branches had broken in the storms the previous night. Two of its branches are broken because the storm in the previous night. While Baldio was chopping the branches, the egg slipped and fell into the river. Okay, now Baldio was shocked. He did not know what to do. The river was very deep. Okay, Baldio did not understand what can I do because the river was very deep, and he went to the edge and looked about helplessly. Okay. Now, at that time, a beautiful lady came out of the river. This time, a beautiful lady came out of the river. She was wearing a robe of silver and her crown was of pure gold. Okay. Now, stud. Stud is nothing but the decorate with diamonds. Okay. This silver crown is decorated with diamonds. Now she was holding an axe with a golden handle in her hand. Is this your axe, Baldio? She asked for Baldio. She is holding a golden handle in her hand. Okay, she asked for Baldio, this is your axe, Baldio? She asked Baldio, who was surprised. Baldio looked surprised to see the beautiful lady. Said immediately, no, fair lady, it is not mine. Okay. The lady went into the river and came up again. Now she was holding an axe with a silver handle. Okay, this time she holding a silver handle which was gleaming in the sun. This must be yours. Okay, she asked for Baldio, this must be your handle. I think, she said. Baldio replied without hesitations. Okay, hesitations means without confusions. No, this is also not mine. Okay, no, this is also not mine handle. Okay, the lady went back into the river for the third time. Okay, this lady is back to the river for the third time and came up with Baldio axe in her hand, the axe with the old wooden handle. Okay, there was a big smile on the woodcutters because this handle is the Baldio handle face this time. Oh, my fair lady, thank you so much. You have given me my life back. This is my axe. I thought I would never get it back. Okay. He took the axe eagerly and started his work with great vigor. Okay, eagerly that means urgent desire and vigor is energy of body. जैसे ही उसको अपना एक्स वापस मिल गया वो start again energy with work. Okay. The lady smiled and gave him the other two eggs as well as the one with golden handle and the one with silver handle. You are not a greedy man. Okay, this lady said by Baldio, you are not a greedy man. Greedy, that means lalchi man. Baldio, you are honest and good. This is your reward for being so contained. She vanished into the stream once again and Baldio returned home with the reward for his honesty. What a wonderful day it had been. Okay, so that this time Baldio is very happy or said by what a wonderful day it had been. Okay, so this chapter is completed, students. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.